Hi everyone! Today we're here to introduce an exciting new product from iProfili.com. For those who don't know, iProfili.com is an Italian company specializing in innovative systems for curved drywall and customizable solutions for all kinds of spaces, from cozy apartments to large-scale environments like shopping malls. Let's dive straight into the star of the show. CobraLit, the flexible, zinc-coated steel LED profile that can be shaped across multiple geometric axes. It's perfect for any surface, including curved walls and ceilings. Thanks to its cutting-edge design, CobraLit lets you shape light like never before. Imagine creating luminous lines that seamlessly follow the curves and architectural details of your space, transforming it into something truly unique and captivating. Crafted from premium zinc-coated steel, this profile offers unparalleled flexibility, durability, and strength. It's compatible with all types of LED strips, giving you the freedom to choose the perfect color temperature and brightness to suit your environment. And here's the best part. Installation is quick and easy, making CobraLit ideal for everyone, from industry professionals to DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're working on a residential project or a commercial space, CobraLit is designed to turn your creative ideas into reality. Visit our website at iProfili.com to learn more and explore the endless creative possibilities that CobraLit has to offer. Light has never been this flexible. With CobraLit, you can truly illuminate your spaces like never before.